Check it out, guys. Check it out. Not only me, but the youngsters is out here getting some outdoor therapy for summer. Got the girls on the skates. Got the boys on the boards. Bunch of them on the bikes. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I wish I had all my cartilage in a better bike. I said I wish I had all my cartilage in a better bike. No worries, I could probably just go purchase a bike. I don't know about that cartilage though. Hay Street Bridge. These guys brought a scooter on the bridge. I hope he ain't over here doing burnouts. And then there you go. Downtown. Once again. Got the Alamo Dome over there. Tower of Americas, Grand Hyatt, Grand Marriott, and the rest of the skyline. Alright guys, make sure you get out there and get you some outdoor therapy. Make sure you're getting out there and getting it. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Bye.